Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today video, Christmas home decoration ideas. Viewers, so let's start today's video. Friends, Christmas So friends, today we are creating Christmas magic on our budget using only $3 items. Yes, you heard that right, with beautiful cozy printed worth decoration without spending more than a few dollars per project. So let's jump into 10 amazing Dollar Tree Christmas home decoration ideas that look expensive but cost almost nothing. Snow candle lantern. Pick up a plain glass candle holder, some fake snow and a battery. Tea lights. Brush a little glue around the base. Sparking the snow and add a small ribbon for the result. A dreamy forest lantern that looked like it came from Pottery Barn, but you made it for $3. Mini Christmas tree forest. Grab the mini bottles, fresh tree from Dollar Tree, and place them on a wooden tray layered with fake snow. Add small ornaments, fairy lights, or tiny gift box, and you have got a beautiful centerpiece for a coffee table or entryway. Christmas ornaments worth all you need in a wire wrought from and a mix of red gold or silver ornaments. Just slide them into the wire mix. Texture matte glitter shining entire ribbon at the top. Hot cocoa bar. Dollar Tree has mini mug, candy jar, and festive thing arranged. Mini mushroom. Cocoa pockets, candy case, and you have treated your cozy hot chocolates and your guest will love. It's Instagram ready for you under 10 bucks. Frosting gingerbread garland juice. 3 gingerbreads and wooden beads.